Are we live?
We're live.
So this is the Nerd Journey Coffee Experiment. We're live here in Fort Worth, Texas.
Together.
That's right, in the same
person.
place.
Wow.
We are live. We're live.
We'll do it live. Alright, so this is an AeroPress coffee maker. Impressively made by the makers of the AeroBee, which is exactly where you want to go for your coffee.
You're going to put a link for that in the show notes.
Yes, we'll put a link in the show notes.
And we were originally going to speak in British accents for this because it'd be cooler, but John didn't want to do it, so.
No. So grounds go in. I think if you're a world champion, you would measure this. I am not, so I am not.
If you were a world champion, you would have grounded yourself.
That's
first.
very true. Very true.
We are not world champions.
Nope.
This is career advancement through caffeination, ladies and gentlemen. And what temperature did we get the water to?
212.
To 12. Of course.
And I am a stirrer.
Notice we've used a single filter. Now you want to get water on that so it makes a nice seal here and the grounds don't seep through when you compress.
It's very true.
Yeah. We're trying really hard to make the camera person laugh. And how long do we have to wait like this, John?
It's
You're
been
the
about-
expert here, right?
It's been about 30 seconds. I just watched a video on how a world champion actually does this. So I think the idea is that right around 30 seconds you put the lid on. We're using the inverted method, as all the AeroPress heads already know. They're probably screaming at me.
Dude, you are crooked down here. I'm afraid that you're gonna.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. Invert it. There you go.
Notice the product placement here, folks. This is where it all started. Spiceworks community. Shout out to those who are spicy.
And theoretically, should be about a minute now. Then you press it down. It's pushing the coffee through a filter.
It's keeping the grounds from getting into your cup as well.
Very true. You could do that, but that would be Turkish.
Since we can't even be British, we'll try to be Turkish.
If we were British, we'd be drinking tea.
And it would be lovely.
And that's it. So
Do you need to add extra water for?
this is fairly strong. You can dilute it by up to 2 to 1, I think, and be just fine. And you just dilute it just a bit.
Survey says.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Nice.
I'm not even a black coffee drinker. That's pretty tasty. Hardly bitter at all. Pretty mild. What kind of coffee is this?
I believe it's the generic Kroger brand organic
Ooh,
version.
Kroger.
And organic. I don't know if I mentioned that. Yeah.
Kroger Organic.
They didn't even pay us to advertise for them.
That's good
So
coffee.
now, I mean, does this make you want to talk about your career advancement and goals a little bit more because you've brewed the coffee using this method?
I'm feeling juiced up and ready to go.
That's right.
For sure.
I feel like it may be time to podcast.
Ah,
I usually drink coffee before a podcast, and now we got John doing it, so I think we're ready.
I think we are. Let's go talk about something.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's take a trip.